Alright, so have you guys ever had your worst day off and you're just running around doing errands, doing all this extra that you don't want to do, and you just want to stay at home, you want to chill, have some me time for yourself, but you can't? Alright, so comment down below on your guys' worst day off, and we're about to get into the smoky eye makeup tutorial, okay? What's up, my beauties? We're getting into this makeup tutorial, okay? I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I'm just, following the out trace of my eyebrows, okay? And we're getting them slayed, getting them, a little thick today. They came out a little thick, but we're gonna carve them out, so that's okay. And, I'm just trying to fill them in. They got a little too thick, that's what I was talking about, but we're about to spoolie it out, so and I'm just working it through, using my Master Conceal by Maybelline, Face Studio, and using my concealer brush. It's from Eco Tools, and we're just carving out those brows. And also, comment down below what kind of concealer you guys use, or what types of concealer you guys have used that you guys like, and maybe one that is better than this one, or what kind of ones you guys like down below. And we just carving them out, getting them slay, girl. And I'm kind of trying to blend a little bit of into the front, a concealer in the front area, so it's a little fade from light to dark. And I'm just taking, some of my Legal Length mascara. You can use this as a dupe for eyebrow. I really can't think of the name, you guys, but to make it look more hair-like. And I'm just taking, my Luxury Banana powder, and we're about to set those brows. And we're just setting them all together. And now I'm concealing my eyelids, so that when we pop these colors on, these pigments, they gonna pop. And I'm just, concealing it up so we can get into these smoky vibes, okay? And now I'm just setting it as well, again, with that Banana Luxury Baking Powder. Comment down below what other powders you guys like, or you guys would recommend to me as well. And, I'm going into my 352 Second Nature palette. And we're taking that darker shade on the bottom. I think it's either called Muddy or Brunette, and we're just packing that into the crease so we can start building our colors and our pigments so we can get these smoky eye looks. And I'm just trying to blend it all together into the crease, not too high close to the brow, because we're not trying to get it too extra, but I'm just packing it on and blending it out as well. And I'm going into my Zodiac palette, and we're taking the black shade, because my black shade broke out of my Morphe palette, because my baby got a hold of it and it fell on the ground. I was like, no, and my black shade broke. I was so distraught, but it's okay. I got that black shade in the Zodiac palette, and it pops still, so we getting it, girl. And I'm just packing it on so we can create these smoky looks, and trying to get it as dark as I can all around my eyelids. And we're going into the Zulu palette by Juvia's, And we're taking that yellow shade, so kind of like a transition shade for my pink that I'm gonna do. So I'm just really blending that into my crease, so that when we put the pink, it'll kind of, I'm trying to blend everything together. And like I said, you guys, makeup is all about experimenting and doing what you like to do. So, you know, if you want to try something different, go ahead, girl, try it. You know, we learn from our mistakes. We learn, you know, we just keep building and building, you know. And the more you practice, practice makes perfect, and everything comes out amazing. And we're going to the Aurora Lights palette, and we're taking these beautiful shades called Magical and Fluorescent. They are really pigmented, really poppin', shimmery as well. They're all shimmery shades in the Aurora Lights. And I'm just taking that and I'm blending it in where I put the yellow with a Morphe brush. I think I got these brushes out of, they were like a 5-piece set, I think, and it came with like a little golden bag, and they're pretty really good, decent brushes for 18 bucks. I got them from Ulta, so I was like, okay, I gotta grab this deal. And we're going in off the Tropic palette by NYX. And I'm blending in that pink shade from the palette. And I'm trying to diffuse all these colors together with that yellow and that magical and fluorescent, you know, shining through. And with these colors, you guys, like, it kind of looks more purple how it was coming out, but it's just like all colors, like they blend into different colors. Like 2 colors make a different color. So these colors I was adding was making more purple vibes, which I don't mind purple. You guys know I love purple. And but it was kind of giving some purple vibes, but you know, it gave some transition. It gave some beautiful look to the smoky eye, so I just went with it. And we're just packing on that black shade, and I'm just darkening it up a little bit more because the other shades that I put came down a little bit on my thing, and just blending that out with the other colors. And just trying to, you know, diffuse everything together so it'll just blend in. The key, you guys, is just blending. Blend. That's why I always be saying, you guys, blending is just the holy grail. Literally, the holy grail is blending. And I'm just taking a smaller eyeshadow brush, and I'm popping that pink shade so it'll come out more pigmented. And I got both eyes done, so we're about to get into our primer. This is the Flower primer. This Flower brand that I tried, it was pretty good. I liked it. It's for a really good, decent price. I think I only got it for like $5-6 bucks, and that's a pretty good freaking deal. Like, and I'm just blending that in all over my face so we can, you know, get it set for this foundation. And then I'm taking also my Master Prime by Face Studio, Maybelline, and we're blending both of those primers together. This primer as well is a very good primer. You can get it at the drugstore. I think this one is a little more pricier. It's probably like $8, probably $8 or $9. I got it from CVS. And we're just blending that through. And now I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match. It's in Sun Beige, sorry you guys, W6, and my Infallible Pro Matte L'Oreal. And we're just blending those 2 colors together because that W6 that I got, it's a little dark for me. So you can always blend 2 foundation colors together and you see what you come up with. And it's a little lighter tone because just that one shade is a little dark on me. So I blended both together, and we're just blending that out. I'm just trying to get all the areas of my face, and we're just, you know, blending this foundation, you guys. And I'm taking my Master Conceal, and we're going under the eye so we can, you know, get this liner precise, and, you know, get those under eye bags, you know, sealed, you know, not even seen. So we're just going under there, you know, getting it all concealed up, girl. And then I'm just putting it on the main parts too, as where you're gonna put your highlights. So on the middle of your nose, on your chin, on the top of your forehead, and I'm just blending all that out together. And I'm setting that with my banana luxury baking powder. But you guys know I don't like baking, so I just be putting it on, brushing it off, putting it on, brushing it off. So I don't do bake that much. And I'm taking this beautiful BH Cosmetics Bronze Babe Brilliance Bronzer, and we're gonna be contouring with this with my little contour brush. I believe that's a Wet n Wild brush that I got that brush from. It's Wet n Wild, if you guys were wondering. And comment down below what brushes you guys like, what kind of brushes you guys use, or you know, any insights you guys got about, you know, which brushes are the slay tools, okay? Or whichever brushes you guys like as well to do your contour or your highlight. And let me know down in the comments below. And I'm just trying to, you know, do the main contour parts, you know, the cheekbones, on the forehead, the top of the forehead, under the chin. And we're just blending it all together. And I'm taking my Revlon Photo Set Ready setting spray, so I can just seal this in a little bit. And it's like a prep. You can use it before makeup, after makeup. So I just put it on to set everything together. And then I'm just taking, you know, my eyeliner, my little NYX eyeliner, and we're just popping that on just to give it a little bit, you know, more of a darker shade on the bottom end, you know, cover up a little bit when we put on the eyelashes. And sorry, you guys, I didn't show the lashes I used in this video, but these are the Ardell Wispies, I believe, and I got them for like a 5-pack, so I still got these about a couple months ago, and I still got them. And they're the Ardell Wispies, and they were like $12.99, I think, probably like $13 altogether for all those lashes, so it was a pretty good deal. And then I'm using my Illuminating Strobing liquid by Maybelline. And this stuff is pretty good, you guys. Like, I never tried a liquid highlighter, and this is the first time I got it, like probably a couple weeks ago. And it really is like a really good highlighter, and I'm really digging it. Like, and for a drugstore, like, it's popping. And we're just gonna blend that highlighter out, and I'm like, dang, you can literally like shine. You can shine brighter than the sun, literally, like. For real. And this so I'm just putting on the main highlighted parts, you know, where you put your concealer and everything, so we can glisten like the gods, okay? And we're just gonna blend it in. And you guys, you know, I went through a tragedy recently. My oh my gosh, you guys, my oh my god, I can't even think about the name. My Becca highlight, it broke. It literally, like, it shattered on the floor, and I'm like, oh my god, what do I do? But there's a dupe, you guys, to, you know, fixing that. You just gotta put a little bit of alcohol in it and pat it down. But I was like, no, my Becca highlight, but I couldn't use it in this video. But I'm gonna get a new highlight soon for you guys. We're gonna try, you know, I love diving into new different things. I don't know if you guys do, but I especially do. So just to give a review or just to, you know, try it out. New things is always a great way of growing. So, and I'm just smoking out my bottom eyeliner. I'm blending it in with the with a flat eyeshadow brush, so it just keeps the pigment steady under my eye. And I'm just taking that a legal length, you know, and I'm putting it on my bottom eyelashes. And I basically use the same colors, you know, the pink out of the off the tropic shadows, and the black matte eyeshadow from the Zodiac palette. And then right now I'm just taking an eyeliner brush or an eyeliner brush, oh my god, you guys, the eyeliner pencil to line out my lips. And then I'm just taking that Velvet Matte, And we're putting it all together. And that Lorac, it's in the shade Secret Agent, if you guys wanted to know. And I'm blending that all together, and then I'm concealing my lips, you know, so anywhere that you messed up, you know, you can just fix it with the concealer brush and get it popping. And this Flower Seal the Deal setting spray as the finisher. Okay, you guys, it is pretty good. I really like this Seal the Deal, but it's a little it gets like spots on you for some reason. I don't know why, but it's crazy.
Only you can make my world go black. Say you love me, then you take it back. Say it again, say it again.
You guys are still here? Okay, well, this was a smoky eye tutorial, okay? If you guys liked it, comment down below, okay? This is the pink smoky eye. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, okay? And I love you guys. Bye.
'Cause it's too late.